What's up everybody? My name is Rino Falvo from Rezgo and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Tourism. This series is dedicated to all tour operators that are looking for tips and tricks to help run their business. So, what's on today's topic? How to protect your tour business during the flu season. Let's get started. So today we've got some fantastic tips to help your tour and activity business navigate through this upcoming flu season. Now, whether you went through the challenges of COVID-19 or you're new to the industry, I have no doubt these tips will help your business. So let's dive into it. Tip number one, gift cards. Now we know at this time of the year, customers are a bit nervous booking far in advance, and gift cards are a great solution. What they do is they give your customers flexibilities to purchase now and book later, but also because it keeps the cash flowing into your business. So tip number two, flexibility. One of the things that came out of COVID-19 was that customers demand flexibility, especially if you want them to book far in advance. So make sure you have a flexible policy in place, whether or not it is to change dates, cancel their bookings. Could be for illness purposes, or it could be for any other circumstances. Make sure you have a policy in place. Tip number three, travel insurance. See, now travelers are nervous more than ever because they don't know if they're going to be able to go on their trip due to illness or maybe travel restrictions. So maybe as an optional add-on is maybe your tour business can offer travel insurance. And the thing is, not only does it give peace of mind for your customer, but it also gives you a bit of added revenue for your business. Tip number four, staff and customer safety. Now let's dive into how we're going to protect our staff and customers during this upcoming flu season. You want to make sure that your areas are clean on a constant basis, especially in the high traffic areas. You know, places like check-in desks, all your doorknobs, obviously all your equipment. Also, make sure that you have throughout the premises of your business is you have hand sanitizer available for your staff and your customers. Now, one more tip I wanted to share is whatever safety protocols you've created, is make sure you share it on your website. Because I know customers like myself always like to see what kind of safety measures are in place to help try to prevent me from getting sick. And tip number five, sick leave. Consider paid sick leave for your staff. Now, I know it's costly to your business, but there's nothing worse than having a tour guide come lead a tour that's coughing and sneezing all over your guests, and not only about the customers, but also the rest of your staff. One staff member that is sick could easily infect the rest of your staff. So consider having paid sick leave, not only giving peace of mind to your customers that they're safe, but also protecting the rest of your staff in your business. Now, those are just a few strategies that you can use to protect your business during this upcoming flu season. If you wanted more information in terms of how you can strategize and protect your business, we have a fantastic blog on this topic. What I'll do is I'll make sure I'll leave a link in the description below for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Take care, guys. Ciao.